In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete draft reels on Instagram. The reels are automatically saved to draft when you discard the reel that you are about to post. You can easily delete it within a few steps. Now before I move on to the video, if you are new here, subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on more informative videos similar to this. Head over to the Reels section on your Instagram. Now all your draft reels would be shown up on this section right here, which is this reels icon. Now open up the drafts and you can see all of your draft reels right here. Now if you tap on the draft reel, you would not see any option to delete it. What you need to do is you need to go back, and then on the top right of this screen you'll see an option of select. You can tap on that and then tap on the reel that you want to remove. Simply tap like that, and then on the bottom you'll have an option of discard. Tap on discard, and as easy as that, you'll delete your draft reels on Instagram. Now if you head back, you can see that there is no option of draft reels, which means you've successfully deleted it. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today. I'll see you in the next one.